This is going to be a different kind of video. I haven't been posting on YouTube this week because I lost a friend to suicide. And first of all, if any one of you is experiencing suicidal thoughts or just not feeling right, there are people wanting to help you and be there with you. There's a link down below with a number to the suicide hotline, and so you don't have to be embarrassed. You are loved. You are cherished. There are tons and tons of people out there that want to help you because we're all in it together. And so if you need some help, then by all means, just know that you are loved. And the second thing that I wanted to say, just reflecting on my friend's life, it's just the idea of legacy and why I even have a YouTube channel. I love making films. I love chasing stories. I love capturing them. I love sharing them. I love teaching people how to capture their own stories. And so I have a YouTube channel to express that passion, to share that. And I absolutely love it. I know firsthand how powerful stories can be. I mean, I've literally seen it change lives. I've seen it save a marriage. I've seen it raise over $2 million in donations. I've seen it build a hospice. I've seen it do incredible, powerful things. And having all that knowledge and experience with storytelling, I so desperately want to pass that on and share it with you because there are so many stories out there in the world that need to be told. And I selfishly want to tell all of them because I love stories that much, but I know I can't. And so the next best thing that I can do is to pass on what I know to you so that you can go out there and chase those stories and share them with the world in hopes of inspiring at least one person out there. And that's why I have a YouTube channel. That's why I produce the things that I produce. And I know there's a lot of you out there that kind of want that influencer lifestyle, but it's just a job, man. And at the end of the day, it all comes down to legacy and what kind of legacy you want to leave behind. And this is the legacy I want to leave behind. So anyway, maybe it's just as part of the grieving process and why I'm doing this, but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you. Thank you for following me on this journey, supporting me, encouraging me. I really appreciate that. You have no idea, but it means the world to me. So thank you. All right, guys, I'm out. Go out there, chase those stories, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.